Yellow nails, thick nails, or nail fungus getting worse? What if one medicated nail lacquer could help fix it? This is Ciclopoli Nail Fungus Lacquer, a treatment used for fungal nail infections. But before using it, here's what you need to know. Ciclopoli contains ciclopirox 8%, a strong antifungal ingredient that works by stopping fungal growth inside the nail. People use it for yellow nails, thick nails, brittle nails, and fungal nail infections. To use it, clean and dry the nail first, then apply a thin layer once daily, preferably at night. But here's the important part. This treatment works slowly. Nail fungus does not disappear overnight. It may take weeks or even months to see clear improvement. Some people may notice mild redness, itching, burning, or dryness around the nail. Keep your nails short and clean, avoid sweaty shoes, and do not share nail clippers because fungus spreads easily. If the infection becomes painful or affects many nails, see a doctor because stronger treatment may be needed. Ciclopoli is not an instant fix, but with patience and regular use, it can help improve nail fungus. Would you try this treatment? Comment yes or no below and follow for more real and honest medicine reviews.